This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by PJ Cooke. Wow! 2021 open floor plan home plus additional unfinished bonus room. Minus 4 bedrooms could be 5 bedrooms, first floor and second floor master 3.5 bathrooms, numerous upgrades including granite countertops, hardwoods tile lighting built in coffee/wet bar, huge AMTF storage, extra long garage, spacious closets, absolutely spotless home, exceptionally clean encapsulated crawl space, built in above ground pool with extra large deck, large storage building, quiet street, bonus 4+ year home warranty included, not in flood zone. For more information, review the details below or contact PJ Cooke at 304-776-7653.